Yes, you will say, Eric is there again with his plasma. Well, somebody helped me out, and that's always great to receive help. If you go to the github.com/ericdubois/ArcoLinuxNemesis, you get this bunch of scripts. And when you do a git pull, if you do a git clone first and then do a git pull, then you get always updates, and you see what I change. What has been changed is something in the folder AUR. In there is a script to install QEMU. I have never, I think, installed QEMU on Wayland, and voila, there we are. And we can immediately test the new code that is in. And thank you for the change, right? So let's try QEMU inside Wayland, inside the new Plasma. We just got a biggish update today, right? So RIP is always good to have a look at it. So I'm installing now QEMU, so that's the QEMU stuff. But at some point in time here with the I think Plasma updates, a lot of Q things came in today, this evening. Well, actually in the afternoon already, right? So a new Plasma, and QEMU seems to be set. We need something to put inside QEMU, right? Sure. Do we have an application that creates ISOs? I think we do. It's called ArcoLinux Application Glade. You're either somebody who goes to the terminal and runs scripts, or you fancy a GUI from time to time, and then you can build all these ArcoLinuxes and the new Plasma as well, if you like to. And all you have to do is press the button Create, and off it goes, creating your latest Plasma. So you don't need to download them by chance, not by chance, of course. There is the ISO already available on the AAG. So what you do is you close that one and you say the name is ArcoLinux, and then remember seed host, and then see what you get. Right, great. So we're there, and then AAG, you can download it. So why bother, of course, to build it? Well, thing is, this was built yesterday in the morning, and now we are 14th, so almost 2 days later, so to speak. But as you see, the downloads are quite okay here in size, speed. Here we are, speed 120 megabytes per second. No, it can't be true. That can't be right. Here's better. Enfin, gone. Anyway, that was fast, right? So the ISO is there, but building it, well, yeah, it takes a little bit more time. But there we are, and I think we'll wait for the new build, and that's gonna be fun for me, testing ArcoLinux Application Glade works on Wayland, right? That's always a good test, and we'll see if we can build the ISO. Another good test, and that's my return on the investment. If this is okay, voila, then we can pause. Now we wait for the build. All right, we're recording again. I've done several things in the meantime, but at the end, right after, he says, check your home directory for the ISO. All right. Super, Shift, Enter. Home. Control H. That's our video. We should better not delete that one. Sierra out is something we've built as well. That can go, and ArcoLinuxB out is here. So we got ourselves an ISO. Do we have QEMU? QEMU or Virt Manager. Virtual machine is there. So here's the install QEMU. I did install it already, did I not? Because I was interrupted in my video here. So QEMU is there, virt manager is here. All right, so that should do it. Virtual machine manager, and this is it this? Yeah, it is this. The icon is the same, so that's better for and improve that. We create our own icon, so we can make another one. And he's connecting. Now I have to look, because this is not my thing. These things, create a new virtual machine. That's one thing. Then local install architecture options. Beautiful. Just that one. Thank you very much. Then we should do this, I think. And ArcoLinux is that. The ISO is in browse local. Home B Plasma. Yes. Forward, not backward. 15, 8, 50, 50, 4. Okay. 30. Forward. Customize. Finish. Yes. Bias UFI. And all the rest probably gonna be okay. So that's now saved. Okay, CPUs. On VirtualBox we had to set it. How was it called again? I forgot again. What it's called. I'll see it if we recognize it, if we see it. Immediately to this one. That's the one, 3D acceleration. We better accept that one. Okay, let's see. Apply. And then we go for begin installation. And then it says unable to complete. OpenGL is not available. That's gonna be Wayland, right? Is that a Wayland thing? Self-create guest. Lib virtual error. QEMU unexpectedly closed the monitor. OpenGL is not available. OpenGL is not available. Let's have a look. QEMU, Wayland, OpenGL is not available. Bing, oh my god. Let's add ArcoLinux. Home. Arch. Come on, why do you do that? Don't do that. Yes, what the far right? Yes. So, QEMU, ArcoQEMU, ArcoQEMU, OpenGL error. We're not allowed. And what do we do? For getting 3D acceleration hardware. QEMU, let's see at the bottom. Immediately at the bottom, sudo further QEMU override drivers, applying this workaround. Mesa 2020 time. Tools, language here. Failed to activate running that. I need specifically something to have for Wayland. Now what we did do as well, we can test that out in the meantime. I set this to on, right? Apply. So let's see. Okay. Let's see if that's the reason. Open. Oh, I forgot Wayland. Black as the sky in the night. But this looks promising. But sometimes we even get a black screen and then a nice little mouse, and that's it. So you'll have to be patient. This is not one of the newest PCs, so I'm not surprised that it takes a while. The question I'm having is, will it get there, right? And it seems it will. So offline is always safe. Too late. Next. This is the default of any Linux distribution but ours. Well, not any, but you know what I mean. It's safe. That's why we do it, right? It's just safe. So, we're on Wayland Plasma 6. We build our ISO with AAG, installed QEMU, the new scripts with the help of the user, and now I'm installing Plasma 6. Not bad, right? Not bad. This little button up here, we can go and have a look at another desktop. In the meantime, and play around with some settings. Let's enter the edit mode and make this smaller. It's smaller maybe here. Now I have this as look. We can have a look if we want. Now we're back. So it's this dual screen. That means that I have two screens and another one with two screens. Both of them have been changed. So that means I have 4 screens basically at this point in time. 4 screens, nice. And yes, at this point in time there are little things down here. You see little transparent things, so we'll have to wait till the designers fix those little edges. That's okay. Did not notice that was open. And we have the system settings. Something interesting is this as well, highlight change settings. So what did I change? I changed the shortcuts, the keyboard settings. It's on, shortcuts, extra shortcuts. Color and themes, play around with those. Surf and Nordic darker it seems. Text and fonts a little bit bigger. So maybe you've noticed. A bit bigger. So you catch. Yeah. Wallpapers. The default ones, I guess. Slideshow every 15 minutes. Apply. Ooh, I never clicked on this button. Get new. Get new. How are you doing? All good. Fine. That's nice. Little paintings. Oh, let's have a look. 0102, 0102. Is there a difference? 3 watercolors. Ah, okay, it's working. Use. Click. Where is the watercolor? Don't see no watercolor. That's nice, but it's not watercolor. So I guess we have to wait for updates on that regard as well. Or did I make a mistake? It says uninstall. It says use. Another one. Let's do Plasma 6. No items found. In the meantime, and then let's do something else. Let's go on holiday. Install. Only. This file already exists, possible to the early early failed download attempt. Look at that. So it was a failed download attempt. That's probably why it didn't work. But no, I'll not be able to set this. Click, 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 click. Nope, nope, nope. Thou shalt not put a wallpaper on your screen. Preview. Alright. No can do. We'll have to wait. And in the meantime, so we're going over the extra red buttons here, spots. Some of the things I've never changed, like this one. Don't know why he's thinking that, but probably a reason for it. This I did change. Don't want a lock screen. This one as well, do nothing. What's also fun, do we have time? No. Voila, we've rebooted. Just a quick glance later on. That's something that's fun. Maybe you've seen videos about it. When you click, when you close something, an app in Plasma, you can make it explode in all kind of squares. So basically, guys, this is a test. People asking, hey, does this work? Does that work? And yeah, good question. Test it. Test it. So yeah, no problem. I'm running Plasma 6 inside Plasma 6 inside QEMU and VirtualBox with tested already. That works great. That concludes this video, except maybe the last thing was the exploding things there. Where was it again? Because they've rearranged everything a little bit. And we have to look in the window management. Desktop effects. And then the name. The wiggly is already in. The wobbly. But there is something like wobbly windows. Focus, peak, tools, virtual, fade and slides is interesting. Fade, scale, there is something like exploding. Magic lamp, sheet, mouse, morph, max. Fall apart, that's the name. Yeah, fall apart. So, boom. Control T and boom again. That's fun, I think. Alright. Cheers for now.